Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, types of chemical reaction. What do you mean by chemical reaction? Chemical reaction takes place when a chemical change happens. That's what you know as chemical reaction. Or when a chemical reaction takes place, sometimes the atom can break up or sometimes they can make a bond. Breaking up of bond or making up of bond to form a new substance is known as chemical reaction. Once again, it's making up of bond or breaking up of bond to form new substance is called chemical reaction between atoms. Breaking or making up of bond or breaking up of bond between atoms to form new substance is called chemical reaction. So now we are going to discuss about types of chemical reaction. What are the types of chemical reaction? Okay, so there are 4 types of chemical reactions. How many types of? 4 types are there. What are the 4 types of chemical reactions? First one, combination reaction. First one is combination reaction. Second one, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Third one, it is displacement reaction. And next, fourth one, it is double displacement reaction. So once again, how many types of reactions are there? For you, there is only 4 types of reactions: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. So in these 4, first we are going to discuss about combination reaction. Okay, so what is combination reaction? That is what we are going to discuss. So first one, combination reaction. Combination reaction. Okay, just first of all, let me discuss about its general form. How a combination reaction occur with an example. Just consider A is a reactant. A is a reactant and B is another reactant. So how many reactants is there? 2 reactants. When they combine, A and B combine, make a bond, that's what combine. Then they combine, a new substance is formed. Okay, a new substance is formed and that is AB. Which one is single product? It is not a single product. Only one product is there. AB is together one product, single product is formed. And this type of reaction is called combination reaction. What is combination reaction then? When 2 or more reactants, when 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product, it is said to be combination reaction. So what is the definition for combination reaction? When 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product, it is said to be combination reaction. Let me explain with an experiment here. Okay, consider I am taking certain substance here. First of all, I am taking a beaker and into the beaker, this is beaker, into the beaker I am adding some solid calcium oxide, CaO. Formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Chemical name is calcium oxide. It is solid, so I am giving a S in its bracket. Why? Because it is solid, S should be given. So it's solid calcium oxide. Its common name is quicklime. So common name it is what? Quicklime. Common name it is quicklime. And let me add some calcium oxide into the beaker, right? Okay, I added some calcium oxide into the beaker. Now again I am adding some water into it. So add some water. So this is CaO and this is water. And reaction takes place. You will be getting a new substance called calcium hydroxide. So new substance called calcium hydroxide, and its formula is Ca inside the bracket OH, outside the bracket twice. So CaOH twice calcium oxide. Its common name it is slaked lime. It's very important. Slaked lime. Its common name is slaked lime. Once again, let me write the equation here. So what are reactant here? Reactant means who take part in a chemical reaction. What are substance I added in this chemical reaction? I taken calcium oxide. So what was the state of this calcium oxide? It was solid state, solid substance. So I am writing S here. Plus water. Already you know it is in liquid state, so we will be writing the letter L. So H2O. We will be writing the letter L. Okay. And when they combine, we get a product. We get a product called calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. And it is an aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. What is an aqueous solution? AQ, which can be indicated by the letter AQ, which can be indicated by the letter AQ. If you are making or adding some water into any substance, any solid substance, and making it liquid, it is said to be aqueous solution. Is it clear? So let me come to the point again. Here how many reactant is there? 2 reactants. To form how many product? A single product is formed. So what type of reaction it is? This is a combination reaction. It is an example for combination reaction. Is it clear? Is it clear? So what is combination reaction? 2 or more reactants combined to form a single product is called combination reaction. What is the example given here? Take some calcium oxide in a beaker, add some water into it, and when they combine, you will be getting a new substance called calcium hydroxide. And at this time, when calcium hydroxide is formed, heat will be liberating there. So some watts of energy is there, some sorts of energy is released, liberated in this reaction. So when the reaction takes place, some sorts of energy is liberated, and what energy is liberated? Heat energy. That means while you are doing this experiment, while you are touching the bottom part of the beaker or side part of the beaker, you can feel hot. That's what. Is it clear? Okay. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice plus heat. In this reaction, heat is released. Okay, heat is released, very important. Let's discuss about some more example for combination reaction. Okay, examples. Burning of charcoal. Charcoal means made up of carbon. Burning means what? Reacting with oxygen. So carbon react with oxygen to give a single product called CO2. Again, 2 reactants to combine to give single product. One more point is there, plus heat is released or energy is released. Okay, let's discuss about another example. One more example too. Formation of water. Formation of water. formation of water. Hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas to form H2O gas. It's a balanced equation. Again, this one is also a balanced equation. And here again, reactant, two reactants are there. What is the reactant here? Hydrogen molecule H2. Hydrogen means hydrogen molecule H2 plus oxygen molecule O2. Oxygen means oxygen molecule gives 2H2O water molecule. How many water molecule you got? 2 water molecule, right? So hydrogen combined with oxygen to give a single product called water. Again heat is released here. Energy is released. So that means in all the combination reaction, heat is released. So if a reaction, in a reaction, heat is released, it is said to be exothermic reaction. What reaction? Exothermic reaction. So when in a reaction heat is released or liberated, it is said to be what reaction? Exothermic reaction or thermal reaction. Generally thermal means heat releasing, heat change. It can be released or absorbed. Thermal reaction means heat can release or absorb, but exothermic reaction means what? Heat is released in this reaction. Only heat is released in this reaction or liberated in this reaction. Is it clear? That means all the combination reactions are exothermic reactions. All the combination reactions are exothermic reaction. So whenever a combination reaction takes place, heat is released or heat is liberated. Is it clear? It's a main point regarding this one.